Yeah, burnt brown. In the kitchen for a change. Little experiment. Might want to try it. I thought I'd see how it works. Making my own some casing, some topping. Found this big tin of Sioux, Virginia smoking tobacco. It's a fairly middling smoke really, and I got an awful lot of it. So I thought, what can I do with it? I'll make some topping. Rum and honey, and all I've done is I've mixed up about 2 tablespoons of the honey with, as you can see, a goodly amount of rum in that jar, in that jug rather, and I'm going to put that in a spray bottle, lay the tobacco out on the tray, give it a good spray, maybe let it dry a bit, give it another spray, and we'll see what it turns out like. Maybe we can transform a rather middling Virginia tobacco. I wouldn't do this with a blend. I'd do it just with a Virginia that you're not particularly fond of, you can mess around with. And hopefully I'll end up with some delightfully honey and rum rich Virginia. Let me know if you made your own toppings and how it's worked out. It's purely an experiment. I don't recommend trying it necessarily until I've got the results, but I'll let you know how it went. Rum, honey, and some old Virginia tobacco. Whack it all together. We'll see what it turns out like. All the best, guys. M7WJO. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now.